welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Amoi. So today I'm going to be sharing some tips for packing for vacation so that you 1, look and feel fabulous, 2, have options, and 3, can fit everything in a carry-on bag. Now, I do have to lead with a disclaimer. This is for a more so like a long or an extended weekend trip. So from like 3 to 5 days, right? Anything 6 days or more, I would either have to check a bag or do laundry halfway through my trip. I mean, I'm good, but not that good. So with these methods, I was able to have enough looks for 5 days for a trip that was 3 days originally, and then I was able to I extended my trip an additional day, and I still had an extra outfit one outfit that I would have been able to take from day to night, and then another evening option or night option for going out if the occasion arose. So yeah, all right, so without further ado, let's get started. This is my first example of a look that I can take from day to night. As you can see, I've paired this pant set with neutral slide sandals and my bamboo clutch. For the evening, I would simply pair it with heeled sandals and this dressier clear clutch. This romper is great to wear casually. For a day look, I would pair it with neutral flat sandals and my bamboo clutch and some sunnies. To step things up a notch, I would just pair it with my slim back wedges. Now, this look can be a dressy day or a day party look depending on the setting, or it can be a more casual night look. Now, the last look I'm going to show you is this striped dress. I absolutely love this dress because it's so easy breezy. It looks great and it's so easy to wear. For the day, I would pair it with my flat sandals and my bamboo clutch. For a dressier day or more casual night look, I would just switch out the flat sandals for my sling back wedges. I can either keep the bamboo clutch or switch it out for my small clear clutch. In addition to packing versatile pieces, accessories, and outfits, I'm going to share a few more tips to help you fit more into your carry-on. Now, the first tip I'm going to share, just in case you don't already know, is rolling your clothes instead of folding them. They somehow take up less space this way. I don't know why it works, but it does. This is one casual day outfit. This is a sleep set. This is a second day outfit. This top and bottom is an outfit that can be for day or night depending on the setting and of course the destination. I meant to pack that white romper that I showed you in the beginning instead of this green dress, but they take up roughly the same amount of space, so let's just pretend this is the white romper. This is a dress for a night out. I kept it in the plastic because it snags easily and I didn't want any mishaps in transit. Tip number 3 is to use your hard, structured bags as storage. This one fits the skirt and the striped dress I showed earlier. I put my shoes in plastic bags so the bottom doesn't touch the inside of my suitcase or anything else. I've packed 3 pairs of shoes in neutral colors, one for day, one for night, and one that can be for either. This smaller bag fits bikini and half of my swimsuit cover up. This folding jewelry box is great for storing delicate jewelry. That way you don't waste any time on your fabulous getaway trying to untangle your necklaces. So, and of course you're gonna need your toiletries and those little items like that. I also, of course, packed a couple pairs of sunglasses. I kept it at 2 since both of these go with all of the day looks that I packed. So I have 7 outfit options, and of course if I happen to leave any items out, I can always pack them in my personal item. Okay guys, I hope you found those tips helpful. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you have any packing tips or hacks that I did not mention today. Please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And until next time, bye.